How do I look? Great. Today marks the day I decided to go full-time on YouTube with barely any subscribers. And I'm going to tell you why it's the best decision of my life and how much I earned during this year. But first, let's talk about why I started making YouTube videos. Why now? The answer is simple. Why later? I consume content on YouTube daily, and I really mean daily. Every day except if I'm away on a trip somewhere, and I always remember these words that stuck with me. One of my all-time favorite YouTubers, Chris Ramsay, said something along the lines that it's inevitable that you'll start doing YouTube, but you consume a lot of content and become familiar with the platform.
You have to keep in mind, first of all, is don't do something because someone else is doing it. Just do yourself. And the best way to do that is to become a fan of the platform, become a fan of YouTube. It'll give you so much insight into what it is that, how it is people create, but also what it is that people look for in videos.
And at the beginning of the journey on here, that's what I felt. I felt I understood YouTube pretty well. I became familiar with the platform. Actually, I really made the whole video talking about this, so just go check it out. On that video talk why I love YouTube so much that I almost want to quit it. Anyway, now let me tell you why it was the best decision of my life. For one, because I saw how hard, but also how rewarding YouTube can be. It's no 9-to-5 job. Also, it's not that hard, but it's a constant process of learning new editing tricks or videography techniques, whatever it might be. Lighting, sound, and so on and so forth. You have to wear a lot of hats for this hobby or job for some people. Also, you have to realize you're going to be at first and you're not gonna make any money, but that's okay as long as you improve a little bit each time you make a new video. Sometimes you also get feedback from people that apparently watch these videos. I think those two are like the biggest rewards. Also monetary value, well, let's talk about that later. But the most important thing to me is the happiness it brings to me and hopefully to others that watch the content. Also the knowledge on marketing and so many things. At my last job, I was not happy. I can't say it was a bad job, it was a great job. I had great colleagues, but the thing I was not happy about was that I wasn't creating things I wanted to create. And I always loved to create stuff. Again, that's why finally I can say that I am happy. Anyway, enough about non-materialistic stuff. Let's talk about money. And for that, let's turn to the computer. Oh, wait, what the f***? Did my PC just crash? As I said, I'm going to be realistic. This will probably be like 99% of people who try YouTube full time for the first year or so. So, drum roll please. I've made exactly $0 in YouTube. Yeah! Yes! But actually, I made money off YouTube, technically. I'll talk about it later. Yes, this is the harsh reality. You're not gonna make a cent the first year you're gonna start YouTube. Unless you're lucky, you go viral or, you know. It could happen, not for 99% of people. Unless, of course, you make brain rot content, then yeah, well, whatever. But still, you're gonna make just a little bit of money. I've seen countless of these, like, YouTube videos of, I tried YouTube to prove it's not luck. And yeah, if you're just making video essays about, you know, stupid shit. But if you're like me and you're starting out and you don't know shit, well, this is probably how it's gonna be. Anyway, so if I was monetized, let's say, I would have made around 80 to 150 bucks in a year. That's around 7 cents an hour as a 9-to-5 job. I should be flipping burgers at McDonald's.
Grab one while it's really hot.
God damn, what am I doing with my life? Okay, but as I said, I'm happy. So let's talk about real money now. I'm gonna reveal how much money I really made. So watch this. I made exactly $15. Yes! And how I made this money, you might ask? Well, I got into music at around the same time I started making YouTube videos. And then I've been making like these type beat videos. Some of you probably heard of them. And actually one of my beats got like a couple hundred views, and one morning I just woke up and saw sale, you know, this kind of stuff. So that's where all my income came from. And actually I haven't been focusing on music. I just used the free 10 beats on BeatStars, and I haven't paid for a membership, but I think I should be focusing more on music because that's how I made money, like actual money, right? It's gonna make me filthy rich, these beats. So, I don't know, this video is about just me yapping, so thanks for watching and see you on like real recipe videos now, so peace. Is it off?